Eya and welcome back to another vlog. So for today's video guys is that I'm gonna teach you how I come up with this look. So this is a sad heart look. So if you wanna know how I did this look, then please keep on watching.
And it goes a little something like
Alright, so to start, I'm applying this professional face primer from Benefit Cosmetics, and I'm just applying it on the areas where my pores are quite visible. I also use this photo finish primer from Smashbox because I feel like I need that extra protection from the face paint that I'm gonna use. Here is the Becca Cosmetics foundation, and I mixed it with Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. So I'm in the shade 330 Toffee. So I'm just mixing these two foundations because the Becca is lighter, and if I only use the Fit Me, it's too dark naman. So I need to find the right shade for my skin tone right now. So before, I used to apply the paint directly on my face without any foundation on. And yeah, I've learned my lesson since I have a lot of pimple marks, and yeah, I have a lot of blemishes, so I need to cover that up first so my paint would be nice and smooth. So I use this Elmer's stick glue in concealing my brows, and I need this to flatten my eyebrows. So I'm using this spoolie to get that excess product and to put my brows in place. Next, I'm using this spot concealer from Bobbi Brown, and I am concealing my brows using this one. So yeah, I just pat it down, and after which we need to conceal it or like set it with a powder so that it will stay in place and add more coverage. So for my outline, I'm using this Imagic pot paint in white, and yeah, I'm just stroking lines and forming a heart from my forehead down to my chin. So yeah, I used white because when I'm going to blend later, it will just blend seamlessly, unlike using like eyebrow pencils and all. This one is better because it's white, and you can never go wrong with white. So since I'm creating a sad heart look, I'm using this Imagic 12 color paint, and I picked the color blue because a sad heart must be blue, or I don't know. So here I am using the Beauty Glaze palette, and I just picked two tones of blue. I used the deep tone of blue in contouring, and the lighter ones for the highlight, like under my eyes, and then my chin, my forehead, and the bridge of my nose. Then for my sad brows, I'm using this Bobbi Brown gel liner, and I'm just drawing like a wave or something to look my brows look very sad. So here I'm just using a deeper blue tone of eyeshadow, and I just applied it all over my crease and including some parts of my eyebrows to make my crease look deeper than the usual. And then same palette I am using, but this time it's a shimmer or a glitter eyeshadow, and it's just silver with some hints of blue, and I'm applying it from my inner corners to make it look like I have a big crease or like a cut crease or something. I also used the Beauty Glazed palette, and I just found a very pink I don't know how to call it, but it's really pink, and I just use it as my blush on. So I'm very sorry if I couldn't let you see how I made the tears and the lace around the heart part, but yeah, I didn't notice that my camera wasn't recording, so I just gonna show you the full transformation, and I'll be back.